Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracy. Today I'm going to show you some paper pumpkin alternatives to the June 2022 Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin Kit. So when we open it up here, our instruction sheet, you can see the variety of different projects that we can make. And of course, with all the kits comes instructions. And then on the back there's also some different alternatives that you can do, but I'm going to show you some of the other stuff. So with our paper pumpkin kit, it comes with a stamp set, a variety of them different there, our adhesives, some dimensionals, and some double-sided tape. The ink this time was Calypso Coral. We had some baker's twine here in kind of a crumb cake color. There was some vellum in a couple different shapes. And then there was lots and lots of die cuts in this kit. And there was various fruit and cheese and saying tags, some bread, okay, and some more fruit, and then some carts here. And then there was a variety of card bases. This is the only one I have left to show you. And then there is 9 envelopes here that came with it. And this kit was a little different. It also came with this little canvas bag. So I stamped it with some strawberries and the hello. And it can be used, it's a perfect size for carrying your cards. So the 3 cards that the instructions show, oops, this was one, so some different produce in the little vellum bag there. Here was another one here with the cart. And the final one here with a bunch of fruit. So some alternatives. This one, I just took one of the card bases and cut it up a little bit. Just nice and simple with a stamped image there. Okay, this one again, I took one of the stamps. This is just, again, one of the card bases. I added some extra stamps here and then a hello. So you don't need a lot of extra equipment in order to make some changes to the kit. This one I just took some of the pre-cut dies and stamped on the vellum this time. So again, everything that was included in this kit. This one here, all I did was take a punch that I had, this flower punch, and I used mint macaroon for the color for the stamps to add a little bit of extra stamps. This was the back of one of the card bases, and I just added it to thick yellow or thick white, basic white cardstock. Okay, just for something a little different. Okay, again, this one I took the cart from the die cuts and just made it into a basket. And then added some of the produce and groceries that were there to put in there. And then this final one as well. So at first it seemed a bit challenging, but I was still able to make a variety of cards with this one here. So I still had the 9 cards. So I hope you've enjoyed this video of some paper pumpkin alternatives for the Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin Kit. Please subscribe to the channel, and happy stamping!